2, 3, mabuhay, hi, INF.
This Jose is a national hero at alumnus din ng UST. Sinong Jose?
Jose, Taco Rizal.
Jose Maritza.
Don't break me, oh my God! Okay, isa ba? Mag-usap po.
Anong prutas ang hindi na mamamatay? It's avocado de lisa. Ah!
More on 27. Are there any questions or concerns regarding the assignment board case?
Kunwari kinakain ng mangga. Share ka naman. Ang sarap naman. Mali. Wow, that's alright.
Kasi hindi tayo mabubuhay kapag walang ganyan.